I'm going to show you how to enable voice typing on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into your keyboard settings, just go to the keyboard and tap on the settings icon at the top there. And then you go to, that opens up the keyboard settings. Then you can go to voice typing and make sure that's enabled. That's how you can enable or disable. Now with voice typing enabled, then anytime you're on the keyboard, you can actually tap on the microphone icon, which is right here, to just use your voice to type. So for instance, let me type something like, okay, you might have to give permission, PS5 controller and OnePlus 15. Yeah, so basically everything I've said has just been typed, and it's continuing to type everything I'm saying right now. So that is how you can use voice typing on your OnePlus 15. So you can use this in messages. You can use it to type some articles you might want to type, or just long reminders. Just basically that's how you can use your voice to type instead of your fingers, which takes time. Thanks for watching and good luck.